Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Sue. I felt like it's been a minute. It's been around, I think, 2 weeks since I last uploaded my last video. But anyways, from the title, you guys obviously know that I am going to be doing an unboxing on the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandouliere in the size 25. I am super excited. Super excited because I actually own a Speedy Bandouliere in the size 30, and it actually is in the Damier Bean print, which is in the chocolate checkered print. And this one is actually in the Azur print, which is in the lighter whitish checker print. So let's just get right into it. I think what I'm most excited about is the fact that this is in the size 25. I have been gravitating towards smaller bags lately. It's just been my thing. So, okay, so I am just straight up getting right into it. But this is how it looks like. I got this straight off of the Louis website. So, looks like that. Okay, so, ooh, we have visitors coming in. I hear somebody. So, this is how it looks like. This is the receipt. Make sure I ordered the right thing. Yaddy, yaddy, yaddy. Speedy Bandouliere and the 25. Okay, let's get into it. Now I'm trying to be quiet because we have visitors. Are you guys ready? Okay, so, ooh, looks like that. Super tiny. So it looks like, guys. Ooh. It is so tiny and so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Here. And let's just open it up. And the straps are here. So, okay, this is the strap. And this is the little lock and key. And then probably won't be using this because I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna wait. I don't know, I'll think about it. But lock and the key, and there it is. Thinking I am going to put the lock. No. Let me just attach all of this together. So if you guys didn't know, this comes in a D ring. Like so. And the bandouliere, you just clip it in like this. It's super easy. Just like that. So, super cute. Yeah, I'm so deciding where I'm going to put this little lock. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll attach it here. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know, but I'm so excited. Let me just show it tight on real quick with you guys. Yes. Crossbody like this. Oh, so cute. Sides and like so. So anyways, I actually bought a organizer for this bag, and it just came in a few days ago. We just unboxed it also. So got it off of Amazon. I will leave a link down below for you guys. Let's see. Okay. I got the one in the nude color. They had like 3 different sizes. I got the smallest size, and this is made specifically for this bag. And it looks like this. Guess you could put a drink right there. I don't know. That. This is like a, I don't know what kind of material this is. But when you do order online, it will tell you what kind of material this is. And it's got 2 little compartments right, get it open, right there. But let's go ahead and stuff this in there, shall we? This better fit. I will be really disappointed. Oh my goodness, it's like a perfect fit. So once the organizer is in there, looks like that still. I didn't want it to form the back too much. I wanted to have more of a casual look to it, so not bad. And once it's in, the inside looks like this. It matches. That's why I got the same color in that beige green color. You guys can see. But I am so excited. This is going to be my spring summer bag, which is why I got this light color. I think it's perfect for this season. If you guys are wondering, I am planning on spraying this with Apricot. I probably would be doing this right after I finish this video for you guys. Unless you guys just want to see right now, I could do all at once. Just give me a minute. So this is the Apricot that I was telling you guys about. This is Apple brand guard stain and rain repellent. You can get this off of Amazon. I don't know anywhere else that sells this, but I've used this before on all of my bags and I love it. It's helped in many ways. So let me show you guys how it works. I'll do the straps last. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the straps. Flip this over and do the back side. I'm out of this, but I wanted to spray the bag to keep it from staining. Okay, so I ran out of that, but I'm gonna be ordering some more and trying to finish spraying the rest of this side, bottom part of it, and then the other side of the canvas, so it can not get that much color transfer when I'm wearing jeans. And I decided I'm gonna put this little log right here. I don't want to put it here. It's gonna weigh on the bag. I'm just gonna leave it here. Yeah, so I think it's kind of cute right there, dangling. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, comment down below. I'll be more than glad to answer them. And thank you guys all for watching my videos. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.